What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you guys for tuning in, and this is the weekly garage talk. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure hit the subscribe button down below. Today we're going to be getting out with the Camaro. We're going to take a look at a brief look at the C7Carbon spoiler that we put on the Camaro, and then we're going to talk about some of our other upgrades that we're doing to the car. So let's jump in the Camaro and get going. Alright guys, so we are here in the Camaro, and I've had the Zl1 1LE C7Carbon spoiler on the car for about a week now. I absolutely love it. It looks great. I think C7Carbon did a fantastic job in the gloss black. I would like to see the carbon fiber edition. I don't know, part of me feels like it would come out a little bit nicer in carbon fiber, but that's a personal choice. I think Chevy, with the overall design for the spoiler, they nailed it on the head, and it just fit for purpose, looks great, flows with the car, fantastic, but it's not for everyone. I get that. I mean, there is so many great spoiler options available for your Camaro. It's just crazy right now, and I think personally you can't go wrong with any of them. I like the Zl1 1LE style. I think it adds a little bit of that track kind of mean feel to it, and that's what we're going for as we build this out. A little bit more aerodynamic if possible. I know that there's braking speeds and wind tunneling and all of those statistics on the Chevy Zl1 1LE. Obviously, I'm not going to be going at speeds of whatever it needs to be to utilize the downforce, so forth and so on, but the look of it I really do like. I think C7Carbon did a great job. Now, obviously, we have a lot of other parts that we're going to be doing installs on and reviews, and then so much more. Make sure hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss a thing. In addition to that, I still haven't revealed the new vehicle that we're inviting you guys to join us here at the garage. It is a replacement for the Ford, I'll give you that much. I'm excited about that too, because it's going to bring a whole lot of new videos, a whole lot of new conversations, and I still have that giveaway to feature, so I'll show you guys that here in the near future as well. I just keep constantly kind of moving around and on the run, but I do have that giveaway. I'll show you guys that in the next garage talk. I promise you that. I'll show you what it looks like. I already did an install on it, but I got to actually update the overlays in here, because on the first design they didn't have the cluster to go off of, so the wrenched out emblem is not fully lit. So we do have the fully lit versions. Those guys at All Star Designs are awesome to work with. They're the ones that designed it for 6LE Designs, the original collaborator, and the guys that sold it. So that's what's going on with the Camaro. We're going to take a look at this. I'm going to find somewhere to pull off. I'll show you guys what it looks like from multiple different angles on the car as far as the spoiler goes. And then, of course, we'll have a lot of other new installs coming very, very soon to the garage for the Camaro, for the V-Rod, for all of it. So thank you guys for tuning into the garage. Let's check out this spoiler, and we'll wrap it up there.